therefore there must be presiding officer appointed. Then Gerald Kumalo, the Divisional Commissioner of Crime Intelligence, approached me and he asked me to be a presiding officer. I then agreed. Shortly after agreeing to be presiding officer, not long after that, I started getting this communication from Mr. Mokgotsi. But at that time, I'm not understanding as to what this communication, what is the background of this communication. But he started communicating these things to me. That's why he throws Gerald Khan's name in it. And later, I think, I cannot remember exact date, I think it will have been the beginning of the year, I received an inquiry. Actually, I received a phone call from the very same journalist, Mzila of Africa. His call was, you remember the story I asked you about of what happened in Bangladesh? I said, yes. He said, but my colleague has just approached me, confronted me about that story and is asking him, why didn't he publish the story? And he said, no, but there was no story there. I listened to this thing and it just didn't make sense. Somebody is trying to peddle and frame Jerome Kwans for nothing, so I didn't publish it. And in his own words to me, Mzilaza Africa was, this colleague of his says to him, now I'm forced to publish the story. And Mzilega has a funny stray, so he called me first. He said, hey, who did you upset somewhere in the police? Then I said, no, I don't know anything. They said, but is anything happening in the police that will lead people to want to publish this thing that is a year later? So old, they want to publish. Then I said, well, the only thing I know is that I'm going to be presiding over a disciplinary case. So he asked me, whose disciplinary case is that? I told him it's for Gerald Khan. He said, oh no, now I connect the dots. Because my colleague and Gerald Khan are close. It could be coming from there. That is his words. Mziligas will come here and say that. But I told him that I'm going to talk about this. He said, no, if he's called here, he will come and talk about it. I know who the colleague is. I'm not going to say it in public. He will perhaps, if you want to divulge that, he will. That's what I'm saying. There are players within the media houses that are part of. So shortly after that, I received a message from the very same colleague of Mziligas. He sent me a question about the same incident. I gave him a full explanation as I did here to Bran Mokgotsi. A full explanation. A logic journalist will have understood and said, okay, well, this is just a malicious thing and don't publish that. But that find itself to the newspaper on a Sunday.